To properly understand a time-based attack, I want to start by showing you a little bit of syntax. And here's what I'm going to do. Let's begin by running a simple select sysDateTime. So this will just run that function, and if we execute it, we get the current time on the machine. I'm going to wrap a little go statement after that, and then we're going to run another statement after that. And the statement we're going to run here is really the crux of a time-based blind injection attack. So here's the command I'm after. Wait for, delay, and then a time period comprised of hours, minutes, and seconds. So we're going to give it 5 seconds. So there's our delay, and then we'll run another select sysDateTime. And this will give us the time after the delay. So let's now run this and see what happens. There's one response immediately, but the bottom left says executing query, so it's still running. There's the second response. And we can see quite clearly that the first result says 11:35 and 9 seconds in the AM. The second result is 11:35 and 14 seconds. There's a fractional difference in the actual milliseconds whilst SQL moves on and processes the next statement, but for all intents and purposes, these two results are 5 seconds apart. Now this is actually very important, because what it means for a time-based blind SQL injection attack is that if we can inject that wait for delay command anywhere into a SQL statement, and we can observe that time delay in the web app, then we can start asking these Boolean questions again. Except rather than, say, ordering the results by a different column, we're just telling the system to either respond immediately or take another 5 seconds to respond. And so long as we can measure that time, we can then get the answer to the question, just like we did back in Boolean-based injection. So let's jump back over to the web app and actually start constructing a time-based attack.